Hello guys and welcome back for another video. Today we are doing a review of the Procore construction software. This is a review of Procore, a leading project management tool designed specifically for construction professionals. Today we will explore its key features, significant benefits, potential drawbacks, and ultimately its overall value in the dynamic construction industry. So let's get straight into it. Now first we have to make an introduction. The first thing is that Procore is a cloud-based platform. Procore stands as a premier cloud-based construction management platform offering unparalleled accessibility and data security. It has a global adoption. It is trusted by contractors, owners, and project managers worldwide. Procore facilitates seamless operations across diverse projects and geographies, and it offers core objectives. Its primary goal is to streamline collaborations, significantly improve efficiency, and reduce costly errors throughout the project lifecycle. So guys, by the way, this video is not sponsored, so it is really an honest review that I'm doing here, okay? Now, we will unpack Procore's core features. The first thing, project management. It has task tracking and scheduling. You can request for information management, and you can get a submittal processing. Now for the second thing is the document control. It has a centralized drawing repository, specifications management, and revision control and versioning. For the financial tools, it has a comprehensive budget tracking, you can change the order management, and a streamlined invoicing. Now finally, for the mobile accessibility, it is a robust mobile app for on-site teams and it adds real-time updates from anywhere, which is really helpful when working on a job site. Now, for the user experience, for navigating Procore, it's pretty easy. It has an intuitive dashboard, so Procore offers a clean, intuitive dashboard designed for ease of use, providing quick access to critical project informations. And it is a powerful mobile app. It is equipped with a strong mobile application for both iOS and Android, ensuring field teams stay connected and productive. For the real-time collaboration, experience seamless file sharing and real-time updates, fostering better communication across all project stakeholders. And of course, it has a learning curve that is somewhat nice. While powerful, first time users may experience a steeper learning curve to master the platform's extensive functionalities, but it's nothing hard to master. Now, let's go to the key advantages of Procore. Procore offers a suite of benefits that significantly enhance construction project execution and management. First, it offers enhanced communication, fosters superior communication channels among all project stakeholders, leading to clearer directives and reduced misunderstandings. Second, it offers reduced delays. Centralized data and real-time updates help minimize project delays by providing immediate access to critical information. It has robust integrations. It seamlessly integrates with industry standard tools like Autodesk, DocuSign, and various Microsoft applications, enhancing workflow efficiency. Now, fourth, the scalability. It is designed to be highly scalable. Procore adapts effortlessly from small scale projects to complex enterprise level operations. For the considerations and limitations, while Procore offers extensive advantages, potential users should be aware of certain limitations, like the higher cost. The investment can be substantial, making it a potentially high cost solution for smaller construction firms with limited budgets. It has limited customization. Compared to some competitors, Procore offers less flexibility in customization, which might not suit highly specialized needs. For the training requirements, new users will require dedicating training to fully leverage the platform's capabilities, impacting initial productivity. And for the performance concerns, some users have reported occasional performance lag, especially when handling extremely large and complex projects. Now, of course, we have to compare the prices and the overall value. Understanding Procore's pricing and its true value proposition is crucial for decision makers. It has a quote based pricing. Pricing is not publicly listed, it is quote based and depends heavily on company size, project volume, and specific feature requirements. It has a significant return on investment for large projects. The investment in Procore often yields substantial returns for large-scale projects with intricate workflows and extensive coordination needs. It has an ideal user profile. Procore is best suited for medium to large construction firms that require robust project management and collaboration tools. Now, for the final verdict. Procore is a powerful, reliable construction management software that empowers teams and streamlines complex projects. Its strengths are exceptional project control, enhanced collaboration features, and comprehensive integrations. Its weaknesses, it's a higher price point, and it has an initial learning curve that is not really a weakness in my opinion because you can master it pretty fast. For the recommendations, an excellent choice for firms looking to centralize operations, optimize workflows, and scale their construction business effectively. So that's it. This is the end of this quick guide. I hope this video helped you guys decide on whether you want to use Procore or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.